You want the biggest one?
Yeah. Take a picture of me on the ground.
I'm taking a video of you. So go ahead, keep looking. Bruno, be careful. Come over here. You do? Okay, I'll follow you.
Oh, that was green. I don't think that one's not ready yet. Nice one. Oh, look at this one right here. See it?
Pumpkin for you? Hi, come here.
What happened there?
Perfect pumpkin.
Here, Tyler.
Let me see a pumpkin.
That way?
This is a heavy one. This is a heavy one. What's this one?
I don't know. Keep looking for your perfect pumpkin.
I'll keep looking.
Look what I have.
I like the big. I got two pumpkins.
Hey, Bernie.
What?
When you find your perfect pumpkin, we'll video it, okay?
Wait.